Hello, so Mr. Bebop is here again, once again, after all this time without flying a Bebop. I'm just curious about one thing, is to put this Osmo Pocket here to see if it goes well. Last time I tried this was with a GoPro 7 and a smart Chinese camera SJ7000, and it didn't work well because it shakes a lot like that, a lot of vibrations. And this could be work and this could be do the same thing, but because it's other configuration, other position, maybe it's maybe works, maybe not. We'll see. This time with the again with the Bebop 2 power. So let's try this, if it works or not. And maybe you are asking why I'm doing this. Just an experiment, and for people who got a Bebop and Osmo Pocket, maybe if it works, it could do a nice aerial shots with Osmo Pocket on the air. We'll see. So another failure. Doesn't work well as expected, but I have expectations, but it doesn't work well. Okay, it was an experiment. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe my channel, like, dislike, all that stuff. And I'm gonna store the Bebop again on my museum, drone museum, and that's all.